welcome back to another episode of the greatest tech show on the planet, GadgetSnap. Now, there aren't many stories today, but either way, let's just tuck into them. So, Xiaomi has been making headlines recently for their upcoming Mi 10 Ultra 5G. These names are just getting ridiculous, people. This frenzy of hype really all began with Ice Universe, who tweeted the Mi 10 Ultra will shock the world. That's a pretty big statement to make. And following that, we then got some leaked press renders of the Mi 10 Ultra, where we could see its periscope lens will be capable of a ridiculous 120 times zoom. Now, some of you are probably wondering, why in the world would anyone need that much zoom? And honestly, I have no clue. In fact, it seems like Xiaomi is doing this just to flex on Samsung. They're like, hey, you can do 100 times zoom, but we can do 120, and more zoom is more better phone, yay! This isn't the only party trick the Mi 10 Ultra has, because it actually gets better. So, display analyst Ross Young believes this could be the first phone with an under-display camera. That is pretty cool. And the icing on top of all of this, the price should apparently be cheaper than obviously other flagships like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Obviously, I know that an impressive spec sheet isn't everything when it comes to a smartphone, but as a tech enthusiast, I can't but get a bit excited about the specs and all the cutting edge tech. This phone is one to look out for. So you saw that Mi 10's camera hump and thought it was pretty big, right? Well, Huawei's like, hold my beer, because we just got renders of the upcoming Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro, and well, the camera humps are ginormous. In fact, these phones have very strong Lumia 1020 vibes, and I'm all in for that as a Nokia fan. Unfortunately, we don't know any specifics about the camera just yet, but because the capsule itself is so large and the fact Huawei have been making amazing cameras for a few years now, it's safe to say that these cameras will be nothing short of impressive. Here's something I'm not a big fan of though: curved displays. Now, the regular Mate 40 has a 6.4-inch display with relatively subtle curves, which I honestly could live with. But the Pro, on the other hand, goes all in with a 6.7-inch waterfall display. I have no clue why waterfall displays are still a thing, because yes, they look amazingly cool in promotional images, but they ruin the functionality of the device. Please, Huawei, for some reason you're watching this video, just stop all of this, stop this trend, do the right thing. Specs are also unknown about these devices too, but it's safe to assume they will both pack the 5nm Kirin 1020. The last Huawei phones, in fact, to use their in-house Kirin chips because of the whole US-China mess. In terms of release, expect it to be around October or November, and obviously availability will initially be in China only, and then they might branch out to other European countries. Pricing is also up in the air, but we can expect these to be pretty expensive because they're flagships and companies love charging a lot of money for flagships. Personally, I think the hardware looks absolutely great, and Huawei's always nailed that, to be honest. The only issue is that there won't be any Google Play services, and that is a huge instant deal breaker for a lot of people. And that's ultimately bad news for everyone, because it creates less competition for the big dogs, aka Samsung and Apple, and that causes them to stagnate, which isn't a good thing. And on that sad note, I thought I'd end it here today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now, I do want to mention something real quick. I am aiming to hit 300 subs as soon as possible, so if you're new around here, please sub to the channel. We do daily uploads whenever I'm bothered, so if you like the content, stick around for more. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.
Word at the end thingy is boom. Put it in the comments, people. Thank you.